Okay, so you have a router and you have your internet ready to go and everything like that. But let's say you have a TV, or let's say you have a PS5 in the next room and you want to get internet to that actual device. But you say, hey, you know what? I don't want to actually run this long cable through my living room or through my bedroom. I want to have some kind of wireless way I can actually just have my router connect to my device as well. That's what this baby is about today. Today I'm doing a video review on the AV1000. It's basically just a TP-Link. They call it a pass-through power line starter kit, but it's a power line adapter that allows you to connect your router to this device, plug it into the wall, and then you can actually just run internet anywhere, any room in your house with this thing. So just let's get into the video. Okay, so the reason that I got this is because I brought a brand new router, and you know, it's a pretty good router. It's an Asus RT router. I can't remember the exact model number of it, but basically, you know, I have internet in one room, but all my devices are in the room back there behind me. And you know, I'm married, and my wife, she does not like a lot of cables. You know how all those cables and all like look, see all these cables right here, you know what I'm saying? Like it doesn't bother me, but it bothers my wife. So basically I wanted to have some kind of a way I could just run the actual router to my devices without having like a extra long Ethernet cable, which, I mean, to me, that would have been ideal, but you know, just, you got to learn how to get along with your spouse, you know what I'm saying, when you're married. So I want to do it nice and clean, but still be able to get internet from my router to my other devices. So that's what this is about. So I'm going to just go ahead and do an unboxing. Let's just get right into it. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up here. Let me see. And we'll see what we got in the box. And here again, this is an AV1000. Can you see that? Let's see if I can zoom in on it. It's an AV1000. It's by TP-Link. And let's see what they put in the box here. Got some kind of card. Let's see. Oh, we have a quick start. Can you see that? No, you can't see that. I think the camera's too, the camera's too dark. Let me see if I can, or the camera's too light. Let's see if I can reduce can you see it now? Yeah, so this is a quick start guide. All right, and here are the devices. This is what the devices look like. And here's one adapter, and here's the second adapter. All right, let's see what else we got. They put an Ethernet, 2 Ethernet cables. So I'm assuming you have 2 Ethernet cables, one for this adapter and then one for that adapter. This is pretty simple. It's not a complicated thing to install these things, but I'm going to take one out of the plastic here. Let's see what we got. I wondered if they were numbered or if they had a number on them, but there's no number on them. But you can see at the bottom, there's a small little Ethernet jack right there where you can plug your Ethernet cable in. Yeah, so I'm just going to go from my router, and then I'm going to take the router and leave it in this room. And then I'm just going to plug the other device, this one right here. I'm going to plug it in the room back there with its cable into the router. So actually, I'm going to move this router to another room. And I have another router, which is my ISP's router. And so I'm going to just connect this to the ISP router and then take my brand new router that I just bought and put that in the room back there, just connect it that way. So yeah, for those of you, you know, like if you have like a lot of devices, these are good. Like if you have a TV, it's good. Like if you have any kind of electronic devices you want to run internet to, and you don't want to necessarily use Wi-Fi because let's say the walls are too thick or something like that. This device is perfect for you. I got mine on Amazon for like, I think it was like $50. They make other models too, but this one actually has a pass-through for a electrical outlet too. So if you want to plug something else into the actual box right here, you can definitely do that. But yeah, it's kind of, only con I would say is it's kind of big though. When you plug it into the wall, it takes up the whole space. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Okay, so what I want to do is go ahead and just plug these up and let's see how they work. And let's just get to it. All right, so basically here's my ISP router right there. And then here's the extra additional router that I have that I want to actually move from this location. And I want to take it and put it where my other devices are. So what I'm going to do here is just go to an outlet. Here goes the device right here. I'm just going to plug it in. As you can see, I'm just going to, there. All right, see, I have it plugged in now. Nice and simple. And I'm just going to plug it into the wall right here. Okay, as you can see, I got the first one plugged in. ready to go. And what I'm going to do is just take this cable and I'm going to plug it into my, let's plug it into the back of my ISP router. All right, give me a second. Okay. All right, so I have the second device plugged in right there, and then I have that going into my the back of my router, which is right here. All right, and so that's pretty much it. That should give me internet signal, pretty much from this from the router in the room and into the router into this device here. So yeah, it's pretty simple. It's called the Ethernet Powerline adapter. Whew. All right, so I actually think I broke a little bit of a sweat trying to plug those devices up. But yeah, so basically here again, this is the AV1000 and it's a Powerline Ethernet adapter. These are good for if you have other devices that you want to plug into your router. If you want to move your router closer to your actual devices, this little device right here, it's perfect. It's like $50 on Amazon, and that's basically what I paid for it. But I'll try to see if I can actually link one in the video if you need one. Also, like this device, it might be like years old. I can't remember I don't know how old this is. It's not like a brand new type device. These came out a long time ago, but hey, I needed one. It's a good alternative. Some people, they go with Wi-Fi extenders, but in my case, I wanted something that I could plug even a switch into, just, get the full capability out of my my Asus router that I bought. I want to make sure I get the full capabilities out of that. So yeah. But anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go get you one of these. And like I always say, keep God first and everything will be good. See you guys in IT.